Kitchen 101. Here are some fun kitchen hacks to make fruit prep simpler and smarter. Let's start with how to keep apple slices looking fresh. Apples are rich in iron, and cutting them damages their cells, essentially causing the apples to rust. It's harmless, but it doesn't look very appealing. So here's what you can do. Brush or dip sliced apples in apple juice or any fruit juice containing citric acid to help slow down the enzymatic reaction. Cutting watermelon into wedges might be traditional, but it also is a guaranteed way to leave kids with sticky faces. Instead, try cutting your watermelon into sticks. Place a small watermelon on a cutting board and cut in half with a chef's knife. Place one half cut side down on the board. Cut the watermelon straight down in slices about 1.5 inches thick. Turn the cutting board 90 degrees and repeat the same cutting technique. It will look like a grid pattern. Repeat with the other half. Ta-da! Easy to eat watermelon sticks. Cutting a pineapple to get more of those sweet, golden, juicy pieces? Here's what you do. The easiest way to peel it is to cut off the top and bottom of the fruit. Stand the remaining fruit upright on the cutting board. Use a knife to trim down around the pineapple, removing the skin and leaving the golden fruit. You may expose the fruit's brown, prickly eyes. You'll see that the eyes line up in a spiral. Carefully cut away the eyes, making shallow trenches as you rotate around the pineapple to remove them, creating a cool pinwheel look. Remove the core by making lengthwise cuts to create spears or chunks. See you next time.